Hello dear students, in the last video we have seen how we can convert any binary number into decimal and any decimal number into binary. In this video we are considering how we can convert any binary fraction into decimal and or any decimal fraction into binary. Okay, so let's start with decimal fraction to binary conversion. So we'll take one example, 12.48, this number which is in decimal. So I can write this way. You have to convert this number into binary. If I see this number, this contains one integer part and one fraction part. I can write the same number as 12 plus 0.48, right? This is the integer part. How to convert this integer part into binary? We know this process. We have seen this in earlier video. So without wasting much time on learning how to convert this number, I'll just directly writing the steps. 2 raised to 2, we have to keep on dividing the number by 2. So 2 6 are 12, quotient we have to write here, remainder we have to write here. 2 3s are 6, quotient 3, remainder 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, and again this one I have to write here. Okay. So for the detailing of this video or how we have obtained this, you can refer the last video. Okay. So for 12, I am getting, which is integer part, I am getting binary. Where to go? We need to go bottom to top. So 1 1 0 0. I am getting this. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of this video is how we can convert this fraction binary into fraction decimal into equivalent binary. Okay. So the process is we have to write the fraction part as it is and we have to keep on multiplying that by 2. For the integer part, we need to divide that integer part by 2. For the fractional part, we need to multiply that part by 2. Okay. So what I'll get is 0.96. Right. So I can write 0.96 and here I write carry, that is this part. So I'll write 0. Okay. Again take this 0.96 and then multiply that by 2. What I'll get is 1.92. Okay. So this one I'll take it as a carry and 0.92 I'll write this way. Okay. And now I'll take 0.92 this part, 0.92 and multiply that by 2. Okay. Now what I'll get is 1.84. Right. So what I'll take again this part and I'll take it as a carry and 0.84. I'll take again these 3 steps are enough actually, but we can have 4 steps also. So 0.84 again, multiply that by 2 and I'll get 1.68. Again here I am getting 1. If I am getting 1 here, I have to write it as 1 under carry. If I am getting 0 here, I have to write 0 here. Okay. So 4 steps are more than sufficient here. So here I have to go from top to bottom. Top to bottom. I have to consider the carry need to go from top to bottom. So what I'll get is 0.0111. 0.0111. Okay. So 0.48 I can write 0.0111. This is the corresponding or this is the equivalent binary code for this decimal number. Okay. So this way we can convert any decimal number into its binary equivalent, whether it has fraction part. If the fractional part is there, we need to follow this process. If the integer, only the integer part is there, we need to follow this process. Okay, I hope this way this process is clear to you. The next part of this video is how we can convert any binary fraction to decimal. Binary fraction to decimal equivalent. Okay, so let's take one binary number. Now we'll see how we can convert any any binary fraction into corresponding decimal equivalent. Okay, so let's take any string, that is 1001.1010. Okay, this is any binary number which we can represent this way. We have to convert this number into decimal equivalent. Okay, so 1001, this number will convert first. The process of this number, how we can convert this into decimal, we have seen this in earlier video. So let's take 1 into 2 raised to 0, then plus the 0 into 2 raised to 1, plus the 0 into 2 raised to 2, plus this 1 into 2 raised to 3. We are taking ascending power of 2. Okay, so 2 raised to 3, that is 8 into 1, that is 8. 2 raised to 2, that is 4 into 0, that will be 0. Again this 0 plus 2 raised to 0 is 1. So I am getting this as 9. Okay, so for this I am getting 9 decimal. Now 0.1010. Now how this fractional part of the binary we can convert it into decimal. For that the process is again similar, but here what we are doing here, you have to start with this. So this 1 into 2 raised to, again we have to take ascending power of 2 starting with 1, but its power must be having negative sign. So 2 raised to 1, but minus 1 we have to take here, plus this 0, 2 raised to minus 2, plus this 1, 2 raised to minus 3, plus this 0, 2 raised to minus 4. Right? So this will be 1 upon 2. 2 raised to minus 1 is 1 upon 2. This 0 plus 1 upon 2 raised to 3, that is 1 upon 8 plus 0. So I'll get is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. So what I can do is, I need to make this denominator same so that I can easily do that, easily can simplify it. So 4 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8, so it comes out 5 upon 8. So what I will get is 0.625. Okay, so for 0.1010 I am getting 0.625. So if I consider the whole string 1001.1010, what I will get is 9 for this equivalent of this, and for this I am getting 0.625. So for this binary string having fractional part, I am getting the decimal equivalent this. This is the process by which we can convert any binary fraction into decimal. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to